Okay, sure.
We'll discuss this. We'll see how we can work.
Yeah, sure. Definitely.
So tell us how we can.
Yeah.
But it is very disappointed with this.
I call you for that.
See, this is the first time we are meeting.
Yeah, it's all right.
And I am a senior, not you. இல்லையா? அப்ப நான் தான் வச்சு பண்ணுறீங்க.
Hmm?
போலாமா?